Hello, everyone. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of LaJoytra Creation Designs and MJ Original Boutique, partners with my sister. So, I'm coming to you all today to show y'all what is going to be next on the list as far as DIY crafts. Now, this is going to be a requested, this is more of a requested DIY. I'm going to say about a couple of weeks ago, I got a message. I told this young lady, this was around the time my husband was getting ready to have surgery, and I got to apologize that I'm actually just getting to this, but I have really been extremely busy with my family, and y'all know. So she asked me to do a DIY because of a video that she saw, and I guess she wanted to go back to the video, but she couldn't find the video. So I'm going to come and do a how to make DIY video on using these wood hoops right here. Now, I know y'all going to ask me where I got these from. I got these from Amazon, okay? They come in a pack of, I don't know how many I got. I think 30. I think they come in a pack of 30. And so I'm going to be coming to you all, showing y'all. I'm going to show y'all the actual video of, it's not going to be the same video that I made before. It's going to probably, the pieces that I use is going to probably, no, it's going to be different. But I will probably do more than one how to make video using these. So I will upload each video separately. But I am going to come to you all because I did have a subscriber reach out to me and ask me to if I could redo one of the videos that she saw. I was trying to find that video. I cannot find it myself. It's somewhere in my library. And I would literally have to go down in there because I believe that video is about maybe 2 years old. So it's in the archives. I have it, but it's in the archives. So instead of me doing that, I'm just going to come and bring y'all another DIY of that project. So I just wanted to let y'all know what was coming, what's going to be coming next. So be looking out for that video. Also, I wanted to say this too. Lately, I have had to keep subscribing to people for some reason. Anyway, I'm going to save that for another video. So with that being said, I want to take this time to say thank you all to my subscribers, to my new subscribers, to my super supporters. I greatly appreciate all of y'all support on this here platform. I appreciate it so very much. Me and my sister appreciate it so very much. For those of you who have taken out the time to go over and look at our shop, we greatly appreciate all of y'all support, okay? So with that being said, until the next video, my beloved kings and queens, peace and blessings. See ya.